Arkite VISION, our advanced solution for ensuring the highest precision in your assembly processes. To get started, you need a vision sensor, 3D sensor, projector, PC and the Arkite VISION software. The first stage of assembling this oil filter is to set up the work area. The operator then identifies a product variant using a barcode scanner. The operator is then provided with real-time augmented reality guidance, including text instructions, images or video, to ensure unparalleled precision and compliance with quality standards. The 3D sensor validates all operator actions. When one step is completed, the system automatically moves on to the next. For product inspection, the vision sensor takes over. If the product is assembled correctly, it moves on to the next step without delay. In case of an error, the operator receives real-time feedback to scrap or rework the product. For critical tasks such as tightening screws, the operator uses an integrated tool, allowing the Arkite system to verify the sequence and confirm the accuracy of the tightening process. The amount of guidance provided by the system is adapted to the operator's level of experience, providing more comprehensive information for those less familiar with the task. Arkite VISION's integration of augmented reality instructions and meticulous validation by the vision sensor enriches the database with detailed logs of each step, optimizing the workspace in terms of both ergonomics and efficiency. The implementation of Arkite VISION not only increases the precision of production, but also improves product quality, minimizes errors and facilitates a level of operational insight that promotes continuous improvement. This in turn improves ergonomics and increases operator satisfaction. For more information, go visit arkite.com.